So this is Wario again, and my workshop I just cleaned up after finishing my recent project today. I need some light. My project, you ask. May I present to you the W&W Chatham. So, down up view, down the side is view, and close up. I'd say it's a pretty neat fan. It's got the reversible cardboard blades. Of course, it's got reversible cardboard blades, so it's white on one side, which I have facing down right now, and I have the brown for the other side. But I chose it to be white face down because the blades droop a lot when it's on cardboard. But while the drooping lessened was the white facing down. Because, well, there was like a bent edge of the cardboard I cut for the blades. It also was a three-way light kit, which I had issues with. One of the globes is bigger than the other. And I also got, for some reason, a shorter light pull chain and fan pull chain. I think when I was putting the light in, I accidentally shortened the chain. And there's nothing I can do about that now, since I already finished building the fan. And it isn't in yet, so I can't show it on 3 speeds. I'll turn the light on now and give you a better look at it. So there's the other side of the blades. I haven't configured wiring in the motor yet. It's a hugger fan. And see where this placeholder is. I'm planning to put it right where this placeholder is. So I'm gonna take the placeholder down soon and put this fan in that, space. Oops. Actually, I kinda need the light. So here is a better view of the fan, top down. It is a pretty good fan, and the way I built it. The motor's a good part, the flywheel's good as well. The light is probably the only problem with this fan. And one of the secrets of making fans with actual flywheels is, you can see this small white branch in here. You need to use that for the flywheel to be able to move. It's gotta be, the flywheel always has to be cardboard in order for it to support cardboard blades, so it won't droop. And also the cardboard moves better, because it's got more density, so it's always recommended you use cardboard for blades and the flywheel. This cardboard's got more density and weight, so it might cause issues with mounting, but it would make the fan work better. I also haven't added the blade pins yet. I will do that soon. Then mount it right where that placeholder is. and take the placeholder down, and figure out how to make that a real fan. And my W&W ceiling fans have been getting better and better as they come along. Here's my W&W Chatham ceiling fan. The pulching is tangled around one of the blades. There we are. Different pulching than before. I had to replace the chain because the original one snapped off. And I couldn't get it back on, so I gave the new chain. My W&W Chatham has a flywheel too. But not a very good one because it's an old fan, as you can see. Parental brackets. This one doesn't even have a flywheel. The W&W Classic 90s. And here is a spare flywheel I was going to use for a W&W landmark, but that ended up being a failure. This is a W&W landmark motor made of foam. So, yeah. Things get better as I continue to build them. So, thank you for watching this video, and if you want to see more from W&W, consider leaving a like on this, and if you want even more videos of any kind, please give us a subscribe. Please give us a subscription by hitting that subscribe button down there. And our goal, and the goal for you, is 1,000, so that we can throw a party down here, like Green Glasses might have mentioned in another video. And well, you're really gonna like the party, so that will happen once we reach 1,000 subscribers. The next goal would be, since we're already above 30, now because we're already above 30, it means we can now get an HD camera for you all, and shoot better quality videos. But if you want me to get a GoPro, gotta raise that to 40. Another special video will be at 50, and then 100. Sorry, voice crack. 100, then 200, then 500, and then at 1,000 is where the party comes. Thank you for watching again, and also, don't forget to comment on whether you think this fan is going to be a success or not, because it was pretty poorly built, but it looks fine. So thank you for watching.